So let's talk about this great indicator. It's a game changer if you follow the instruction. If you follow the instruction, it's a game changer for you, and uh, it's free. So there's nothing to lose when you follow the instruction. It's just what to gain. Uh, Without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. If you are actually a new subscriber, if you're a new person on the channel, you're welcome. And if you are old time subscriber, thank you for coming again. And today we want to actually look at this indicator that actually has the other block and also another part, which is two confirmation stuff that helps us to actually trade profitably. And how it actually works is that we follow with the two consecutive information. When we have the two, then we actually make a decision. Now, how do we buy? How do you sell? It's actually useful for a short-term trade. It's useful for a long-term trade. That is, you can actually be a day trader and use it. You can actually be a swing trader and use it. It just, if you follow the instruction, you're going to enjoy the benefit of it. Now, like I said, it's a two confirmation with which actually increase the uh, how good it is, because now it is two confirmation. It actually helps you wait for everything to actually align perfectly before you actually take your trade. So how does it work? So let's talk about it. This indicator is a very easy to use indicator. So how do we use it? We can use it for buy, we can use it for sell. Now we buy at this level when we actually have this and also this align. At this point now we actually sell at this level, and I will tell us why we are selling and where to actually exit the market. All right, so let's sell. So it actually boils and asks the question, why am I selling at this point? It's very simple. The reason why I actually sold from here is because we actually have this, which is our first confirmation. We actually have to have the market align at the upper level, at this level and this level. These two is very important. Pay attention. Pay rapt attention. These two are very important. You can see that the market has actually have a clip of the high, then have it again. It's just like double top. The double top of this has actually formed, which is the first, and this place is the second. Now, since we already have the double top, we expect the market to drop. And not only this alone, this is not enough. Remember, I said it's not one confirmation. It is two confirmation that increase his potential, that also eliminate mistakes and errors. Now, the second confirmation is that it has to also show the same pattern of double top here that follow with the trend of a sell. What did I mean by it follows with the trend of a sell? The only way that you will see this actually form, this other block form, is if this one, the second one that form, actually sells and also have a turnaround below the previous one, or on the level of the previous one. It cannot be above. You remember, we want to sell. We want to see the pattern of sell, which is actually the first higher high and sorry, which is actually lower high and lower low. Then another lower high and another lower low that will now come below. So we cannot actually have this second lower high to actually be higher than the previous lower high. Did you understand? This actually now make us to actually confidently take our trade, and where will be ideal place to be exiting the trade will actually be either here here. That's 13,818. And this market is going to get there. If it doesn't get there, check our time now. Check our time. If in my video, if it does not get there because of our time, check our time right now. Our time is currently on the chart. It's actually 4:15. Chart time. Chart time. So if you are anywhere, I believe the chart time will be the same. 4:15. Watch the market from that on third of on the sorry on the 5th of March or by 4:15. Go and check your chart from there. If market keep dropping all the way to 13818 or 13820, which I believe it will. So your first take profit level will be that, and the second take profit level will actually also be this place where the market actually pull up from. Now that will be your secondary profit. Now the reason why that actually may not hold is if the trend is not in your direction. If the trend is actually, in this case, I believe is we're going to get to this 13,733. But that is because the market is actually dropping now. So I believe that since the market is actually dropping as a sell trend, it should actually get to the second take profit. But don't forget, the first take profit is your most important aspect, which is actually where the market first of all pull back to give you the second high that was necessary for you to enter. Because market cannot actually just have this and have this without having this. This is important because what makes this actually happen is that the market that was dropping before pulled back and went all the way up. So forming a low, a base where it can be easy to actually trace the market will get to and pass before the market can continue selling down. The only way market can sell to this level is if we pass here. So this will be our first level, a first level target that the market will get to. Now, with this confirmation, you can use this and you can actually make a lot of money. Now, this indicator is free, just like I've said earlier. And the simple way of getting it is that you subscribe. You have a subscriber on the channel. If you have not actually been reaching out to get things before, you just have to show me proof that you are a subscriber. If you're not new, if you have been coming naturally, you just message me and request for it and you get it. So I just need a proof that you are my YouTube subscriber and also that you follow us on Telegram, and that's all. You just get it that okay, I'm on your Telegram and I'm also on your YouTube. Then you get your stuff free of charge without you being charged for anything. Okay, and for those who actually are interested, this is just for those who are interested. Our VIPs open. It's one-time payment of just $100. So it's a one-time payment. What I mean by one-time payment is that you subscribe once and you're not renewing your subscription, not anytime again. You are not renewing this 2024, you are not renewing 2025, you are not renewing 2026. So as you make your payment once, you are there for life. And for those who have actually been on our Telegram channel, you've seen our results on our uh, VIP. And if you are somebody who is actually new, you can check those videos also on the Telegram channel. We've actually uploaded results on our Telegram channel so that you can know if it's worth it or not. And but don't also forget it is a one-time payment. So it's not like your money is burning now. Anytime, any day, you can start utilizing it. Anytime you can actually take pause. Maybe you are busy, you can still come back and still keep enjoying, and nobody's going to ask you for any money anytime for you to subscribe again. All right. So you can see that it works on Boom. You can go the same way to fix volatility, which is fixed on the 5 minute scale. So you can use any instrument, any volatility. I'm just saying that in this case, we're talking about volatility 75. So you have to have that same pattern that we just mentioned before you can actually trade. In this case, I can sell right now. And the only reason why I'm actually selling right now is because It's because of this simple thing. Very simple. Here, one, here, two. I take my sell, then where will be my take profit? Here. Where will be my stop loss? Above this level. Yeah. This will be my stop loss. That will be my take profit. Just as simple as that. Based on the fact that you already have this aligning with this aligning with this, then I will actually take myself. That is the way to actually go. You can also, like I said, you can also check the charts by any time of your choice and see if the market play out or not on fix 75. Just as simple as that. So, like I said, you can get it absolutely for free. Come and reach out to me and you get it for free. And that's all for now. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out.